It's currently 6:38 in the morning, September 29. And it's Jacob's birthday. Happy birthday, Jik Jik. Happy birthday, Bibi. Sige, kabisihan mo, Bibi. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Bibi. Happy birthday, Jik.
Thank you.
How old are you?
13 now.
Wow, 13. So what's your plan for today?
I actually don't know.
Don't know. Wasa siya kay Pausa mo. Asa siya mo ko. Look at that. There's a lot of people swimming already. Surfing. Wow. Let's go, guys. So we're gonna go out. Punta kami sa Pearl Harbor. Daddy, diri ka makapwede refill, oh. They also have a refilling station, guys. Ah, wait. Hold to fill, baby. This one. Kami ng tao, uy. Look. Cute. Punta pala kami sa guys, sa parking lot para kunin yung sasakyan. Hindi kasi namin ma-park dun sa sa hotel mismo namin kasi ang mahal ng rate, guys. Parang 50 ata per day. Dami ng tao sa beach, guys. Ang aga pa. Night, ay nga, volleyball ay nga, oh. Ka-cute sa iyang iro. I don't know. Ingon ana ang look, cute, mura magkuan. Mura mag-iro. Mga ano na kami naglakad, guys, mga 7 minutes, 5 or 7 minutes. Diyan yung hotel natin ay it's one of those building.
Traffic na, ganina, 19 minutes lang po ang waiting.
Guys, andito na kami sa Pearl Harbor. Pero, ayan, submarine ako. Dako mo di kayo, no? Uy. Hala. Mausad, no? Na, look at the submarine, baby. Pacific Fleet Submarine Museum. Tingnan nyo yung submarine nila, guys. Oh.
Please na ino na niya. Take a picture diha.
Ang inani kadaka lang ang sulod. Dako day kayo daddy oy na.
Dako kayo no.
Okay.
So nga di kadako lang sa marine.
Yeah, nay. Dako dako di ay. Ano siya nga ring, guys. Yung look at yung mga tao. Cute.
was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations, oh. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Guys, dito kami sa McDonald's. Ito yung McDonald's na nagsiserve ng rice and spam. Ang daming choices. Oh, may sausage and butter. Huh? They have rice lang ga and spam.
Rice or pancake?
Yung McDonald's nila dito may spam and rice. And then maganda yung view. Tapos may mga manok. While you're eating, may ka-share ka. Tingnan niyo. Ang daming manok. Spam, rice, and egg. Ah, ka-cute. Ano sa'yo ba din? Spam, rice, and egg. Bihang. Hindi mo na din. Nag-spam rice and egg sa ka. Wala, lagi mo nag-sausage. And then, this is ayan. Asan sausage?
Kasi lang.
And then, ang ganay mo ha? Ayan, coffee na. Ang galing. Ano siya guys? Spoon and fork inside. Is this Jacob's?
No, that's yes.
Okay.
Onto the red one.
Here. Kain tayo guys. Hindi pwede maka-order extra rice. Ang ganda ng view ng McDonald's ito. We're done eating guys. And busog. McDonald's with a view. Pero menteryo yung ano mo. Ayan nilang menteryo. Di kayo na naka-crowded no. Gamay rin kayo tao diri ba?
Bukid naman eh.
Valley of the Temples Mortuary.
Oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together.
Punta kami dyan, Don Quixote. Grocery store lang ata yan. I'm gonna buy this for him. Walay Jaden lang ga. Oh, here lang ga, but different spelling. Mga marites. Nag-away sila. But, ansa dade? Oh, wala sila ibangga dere. Dito kami sa fruit area nila, guys. I'm really looking for a mango hala. Ay, di man mangga. Kapayas, manggod. It's kinda spicy vinegar flavored already. Ano? Vegetarian chicharon. Look at their melana, guys. Hala. Nadi, oh. Sayang. Paborito ni Daddy, guys. Pero hindi niya pwedeng makakuan. Hindi pa muna kasi hindi pa kami uuwi. Oh, they also have mga like this, guys. Oh. Bento mori with brown rice. That looks good. Butterfish. Pinakdit. Hala. Ito siya guys, spam and egg. Tapos ito yung unagi. ito yung unagi, and then tuna, mayo, and then kani, unsa ni? No, kani yung negi miso. And then tuna, mayo, and then unsa man ni? Hindi ko na alam anong mga pangalan nito, guys. Lami kayo siya tanawon. Lami siguro ni ito, kaya siya na lang usa na hibilin. They have matcha latte. This one. Lah, cafe mocha. Ano pa? Hala, white mocha, daddy. Dalgona, daddy. You don't like it? Dalgona, cookies. Kani, daddy, oh, lamig lagi. Sige. Street parking. Nice street parking na dito. Si ate, oh. Ready to kung anong ate ka nang sana. Diretso maligo ba? Mga tao dali naka.
Mula ni siya nga street.
Guys, dito na naman kami sa isang mall. Alamoana Mall. Maybe we will spend ako an afternoon here para din na mag-dinner, Jollibee. Giha ka ni hula hoop. Hula hoop. I-try na di gusto ka. Kaya ba mo kumuhula hoop? But I need a bigger hula hoop. Okay, excuse me, daddy.
Oh, I see how this.
Look here. Wait up, look. Ganun lagi ko nila din. Try taan nila doon. Sugar cane. Ayan na, guys. Pure sugar cane talaga siya, no? Ayan na yung sugar cane. Naka-try na sugar cane? Not yet, right? You wanna try this one? Yeah. Please, a Rogers, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's fresh, no sugar added.
Yeah, okay, thank you. I work for a rum company, so I drink the sugar cane juice every day.
Okay, this one's special. Okay, 15.25 please.
Try this one, sugar cane. Sige na, just try one sip.
That's good.
It's sweet. Yan na imong kamot. Kaunsa na iyang feet? Nag-shoes na siya na? Hello! Pinaligo na lang namin si birthday boy. Pauwi na sana kami pero may nadaanan kami na beach. So ayun, ligo lang siya. Walang masyadong tao. Tapos, dito lang kami nakapark. Diyan lang. Daddy and Aya, Diaz there. Ayan. Car na yan. Habang andun sila naliligo, I'm gonna make a quick haul. Yung sa nabili natin sa Don Quixote. Mga snacks. Ito ko yung mga kahit anong klase na candy basta melon. It's really good. Pistachio, potato fries, I don't know, mix, sabi mix. Young coconut, kasi di mo na no? No added colorant, sprinkled with real coconut flakes, vegan friendly, no gelatin used, made from pectin, soft and chewy. 210-day young coconut used. You wanna? I got this Smarties crackling. Ay, nalanay. Ito pa. Masarap din to guys. Milk candy, chewy milk candy. And wala, another potato fries, Payday, Twix, and Kinder. So, yun lang yung nabili natin. Kasi kapag nasa room lang tayo, at least meron tayong mga snacks na pwede natin kainin doon. I'm sure hindi natin ito mauubos. So, yung iba, dali na lang natin sa pag-uwi natin. So, yun lang yung nabili natin guys. And then, pumunta kami dun sa Alamoana. Wala naman kaming nabili. Nag-ano lang kami, stroll. Tapos, bumili ng ice cream, yung mga boys. And then, ako yung sugar cane. Yun lang. Tapos, pumunta na kami dito. Punta sana kami dun sa Lagoon. Hilton Lagoon ata yung name. Pero, nadaanan kasi namin to. So, dito na lang kami. Kasi malapit lang naman yung dagat. And then, dito lang si Daddy nakapark. I can even see them there. Na naglangoy-langoy ba. So, and then mahangin. So, it's very fresh dito. So, dito na lang kami. Bukas na lang siguro kami pupunta dun sa Lagoon. This one. But this is the spicy one. Maliligo sana ako. Lahat ng dinala ko dito is swimming attire. Not much of a shirt or ganon or pang mall. Dahil yung plano ko talaga is ligo lang ako ng beach. Ligo ng ligo. Ang problema, may bisita na tayo. Wrong timing talaga. So wala, dito na lang tayo sa tabi-tabi. Chick-fil-A. Nakita niya Chick-fil-A doon sa Alamoana Mall. That looks really good, baby. Chicken. Is it spicy? Okay. What's that there? French fries?
Yeah.
Kaya langga. Pray niya langga. Lami ba yan ang sauce, anak, baby? That one.
I ate it before.
Finally learned my lesson, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make